down classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up.
Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and I'm entering the world of the Fresh Dolls meet Disney. The Proud family, louder and prouder, Penny Proud doll, includes Penny's phone. She's on holograms and twiddle, y'all. This is from the world of EPI. Dr. Lisa and the Fresh Dolls, they teamed up with Disney to bring us this Penny Proud doll. The doll is about at most 10 inches. She is considered a fashion doll. So what we're going to do in this video is actually give her a fashion overhaul. So she's about 10 inches. So I'm going to get her unboxed and we're going to be right back. I'm Penny Proud, I'm cute and I'm loud and I got it going on. Yeah. Alright, so we are back and we have Miss Proud out of her packaging. So this is the back of the box. You can see it looks like it is the little scene from one of the episode backgrounds. Now here we have the Penny Proud doll. Now you do get the doll, you get a phone, and you get a cute outfit that I may say are all separate pieces. Now when we start at the bottom, her shoes. They are the plastic shoes that have the slits in the back. Now and a good thing for any of these artists out there, any creators who really want to see what other shoes fit her. So these are what Penny's feet are giving, which they all small, but it's okay. She does come with articulation. You can see her knees are articulated. She's also articulated at the hip, the wrist, the elbow, the shoulder, and even the head tilt. Her head can tilt from side to side. She can look around like this, which is really, really nice. Now going up to her skirt, this is really nice material. I love this skirt. I don't know the material it's made out of, but it's thickly made and it does replica the character's look from the show. Here she has on her shirt and it is pinned to her sweater, but I don't want you to think it's an illusion piece. They did make the shirt separate from the sweater. The sweater just doesn't have any Velcro. And you can see the sleeves on her shoulders do come down to her wrist. They also gave her with a little phone. You can see they did take the time to put a little screen on. When we go up to her face, you can see she does have the face of Penny Proud, as you can see. Soft, very soft to no makeup at all. Her hair is very soft. It is thick. I don't think it's gel in it. I just think it's wound up tightly. They did give her the red ties and at the top her little hair wisp, and this is gelled. So this wisp at the top is highly gelled. So now that we looked over Penny's facial screening and we looked over her outfit, which is adorable, we're gonna do some comparison. All right, and here we have Penny next to Rocky, Sharpay, the girl from Star Wars, and Snow White. So now you can kind of get into her look. Now she does have the biggest head because she's more of a cartoony type doll and not meant to be human. All right, and here is Penny next to some Disney guys. And I know what some of you may be thinking, Callie, are all these dolls Disney? They are. He's Marvel, Disney Rising. Of course, this is Olaf. This is Star Wars, and then this is Elena Avalor. But since Disney technically owns Star Wars and Marvel, their dolls are always going to be included. Penny, how you feeling with the guys, boo? All right, and this last set, these are just random characters. Mickey Mouse, Mrs. Incredible, Giselle from Zootopia, and yes, Mrs. Wet Wet from Wreck-It Ralph 2, Breaks the Internet. It said that Penny was a fashion doll, correct? Homegirl. I'm calling in one of my homegirls to help me out with this review. Callie, you call? Yes. So Penny, come here, Penny. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys, but they're a little close in height and they both have diva style. So what I'm gonna do now is actually swap this Disney doll's fashion with a Rainbow High doll. We'll be right back. And we have Miss Proud switcherooed with rainbow highs. So it looks interesting. Let me tell you guys what's going on. So as far as the shoes go, don't worry about that because the feet are not a match at all. But as far as the outfit goes, now the skirt is kind of baggy on Penny. You know, she don't really got no, dunk in the trunk. So it's kind of, it's kind of giving loose goose. Just a little bit. But overall, like if you just stand her back and just look at it, the Rainbow High outfits are gonna look cute on her. Now, as far as her outfit on Rainbow High, they done did it again, child. It looks so nice. It's like having her in a Penny Proud suit, she probably can like cosplay as her. It looks really good. What do you guys think? I just thought since they said she was a fashion doll, why not try a fashion switcheroo? If I had to pick one character I think they should make next, I would say it should be Dejanay or Lacienega. I think one of them will be really, really cute. I think they should make the whole cast, of course. But so my final thoughts on this Penny Proud doll. She's currently $19.99 and I believe she is on the Target app. I think anyone who's a fan of the show, who's likes the character, you would want to pick this up. I think she'll eventually be nostalgic. Remember the doll for Sabrina the Teenage Witch? I never got that doll. I think she's gonna be like that for people who like Sabrina but missed out. If you're a fan of Penny, grab her now. I think the Fresh Dolls did a good job. But if you guys are new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. Penny, are you ready to meet the rest of my Disney dolls? Yes, I am, Callie. Yes, we cute. Yes, Benny. I'll see you guys next time.